Where I live, the beach is quite far from me. I often imagine being there. It's a place of peace and tranquility. So, for now, I'll have to bring a bit of the beach to me, with some nautical home decor that uplifts the soul. Today's video is in collaboration with Fanny from Creations by Farvy. I'm sure you're going to love her channel because I do. She does lots of trash to treasure, boho, farmhouse DIYs, so make sure to check her out once you're done watching my video. The links to her channel and her video will be in my description box. So we're going to start with DIY number 1. All of these DIYs are super quick and easy, but they're going to look really beautiful. And DIY number 1 is kind of like 2 DIYs in one, you'll see what I mean. So first off, I am starting with this mirror that I got from Poundland. I'm just going to basically be using it as a tray, and then I'm going to fill it up with some of this white sand that I have got from IKEA. Then you're going to take a glass jar like this, and you want to make sure it's not too big, not too small, so that it can fit nicely in the center. And you also want to make sure you have something that fits a planter. So I'm going to be using this artificial plant here. So you want to make sure it actually does sit inside and fit in there nicely. But what I'm going to be doing is removing this, so I don't want this part here. So you just give it a tug and it comes out. This is also from IKEA, by the way. So you're going to fit that in the centre there. And then again you're going to take your white sand and we're going to pour some inside here. Then I'm going to just stuff this inside, and I'm going to make sure that I cover this black area here with the white sand. So I've just gone and poured some more sand just to ensure that all of that black bit of plastic is covered. So I'm going to go and return this back to the centre now. I got this from my mum a few years back and I haven't got to use it, so today I opened it up and I was just so happy with everything that's inside because it's really perfect for this DIY. So I'm just going to take a few shells from there. I've got this big one here and I'm going to lie it against the glass just like this. So next I'm going to go with this piece here, and it's actually meant to be this way, but I'm turning it around because I like how rustic it looks. That's knocked over, but we'll put that back in a bit. The next thing I'm taking is another piece. This time I'm going to have it this way around, and I'm just going to place that there. And then lastly, one last shell, which is this one here, and we're just going to place that on the side here. This is the first DIY done, and now we're going to move on to the second. The second one is super easy and quick as well. I'm going to use this shell that I got from B&M. This time I'm going to take a darker sand colour and we're just going to pour that on the shell. Just going to get rid of all of these little clumps. Next you're going to take a tea light and just remove this foil bit here because that doesn't look too great. Then we're going to place that in the middle, just like that. Now you can leave off here if you want it to be really simple, but I'm just going to add a few more things. So I've played around, as you can see off camera, and I'm going to place this shell here and that shell there. And then I've got a bag of these from Nautical glass pebbles, and I'm going to place 3 on either side. Just like that. I mean, I make it look really simple, but it does take me a while to do all of this off camera, and then I record it when I'm ready. So there you go. Second and final DIY done. So let's have a look at how it all looks together. So here's both DIYs together. I have set this up in my living room and I am really enjoying it. It's just brought so much more life to the room. I really like that the colours complement each other. It's just such a nice contrast, the white, the green, and then the shells as well. Anyway, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to show your support by leaving me a thumbs up, a comment, making sure you subscribed and sharing this video with others. And don't forget to check out Fanny's channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!